So hello everyone. So there is a great news for all the students from South India that for the very first time I have decided to launch my CA Inter Audit course in 100% English. So this is the exam oriented course designed to meet the needs of all the students out there, and I can tell one thing about this course is that fire nahi wildfire hai ye. So now this course is based on CPI mechanism where we are going to focus on C for concepts, P for presentation, I for interlinking. Not only we are going to understand the concepts, but we are going to learn the concepts. I am going to guide you how to present the concepts in exam and at the same time how to interlink the concepts. Coverage wise, this course covers at least 90 to 95% of the ICS study mat and is more than enough for you to get 70 plus in audit, and all this in just 80 hours. What is the fees, sir? The fees has been designed extremely economical considering each one of you. For the first 50 students, you can avail this course only at 1499 with ebooks and 2799 with hard copy notes. But do remember, this offer is valid only for the first 50 students, and after that the prices are going to rise. Along with that, you are also going to get my personalized guidance, and I will be available for any of your difficulties, any one of your queries. What you need to do is you just WhatsApp me at my personal number and I will be available. So don't waste your time. The offer is limited for a very limited period. Just go in apnamental.com and enroll for it right now.